What's the meaning of Bella? Bella. Bella.
Bella. Bella. Bella is a feminine given name of Italian origin. It is derived from the Latin word bellus, which means beautiful or pretty. As a name, it first became popular in the late 19th and early 20th centuries, and has been a consistently popular choice for baby girls ever since. Bella also has various cultural associations, such as the character Bella Swan in Stephenie Meyer's Twilight series, or the famous actress Bella Thorne. Additionally, Bella can be used as an adjective to describe something beautiful or pleasing to the eye. Overall, Bella is a name that connotes beauty and charm.